name?
Felix.
That's like a name.
Huh? Oh, if you're a gamer, hardcore gamer, go subscribe, please. But my real name is Felix, obviously.
Yeah, he plays interesting games.
So, game show should be live and record.
Okay, put it all in the bucket.
I'm trying to.
We need to put some more of this. As you can see, because look at the stickiness of the slime. And it's still on me.
It's on you? What do you mean it's on me?
It's on me too.
Oh. Didn't you just wash your hands?
I know. Go. Put it in your hands, Felix.
Oh no, I need to grab all of it now. Because it's all wet. It's all wet. Stop. It's really wet.
Ah! Here, let's add some more glue.
Save the rest. My gosh. This is really wet.
We got some cookies.
Oh my gosh, it's all wet.
Okay.
Pour the rest of the glue.
Oh yeah, just keep it going. Hey, how you doing? And Nora, what's happening? Are you mixing it?
Oh, you need to pour the rest of the glue. This is barely enough glue.
I poured it.
Open the cap. Yeah. Good boy, take off the cap.
There.
Wait, I'm gonna tell you which one is it. Stop.
So, back at it again. Yeah. Shh, I'm recording.
That was like good. Ah! It didn't fall. Oh my gosh.
It's trying to hit my camera though.
Oh, it's nice. Oh, this is perfect.
Perfect. Let me see perfect. Let me perfect. Oh, it is. Oh shoot. What do we need more of? Because it's still sticking like a lot.
Here, I have a bunch of knives for the turkey. Here, all of them. Just give it all to me. And then I'm gonna mix it in. Mix it in nicely, guys. If you want to make this. Get some glue and then
you need like 1/4 cup of some glue.
But we put more.
Elmer's glue.
But we put way more.
Yeah. And then you need 1 tablespoon, not a teaspoon, of this.
No, I said tablespoon, and then you got a teaspoon.
No, I was like this, and you were like, yeah. I'll feel it in the pail. It's all gross.
Okay, because this is still sticky a little bit. Give some to me, because then it's gonna make this. It's watery or is it sticky?
I don't know. Yeah.
No. This is like the perfect consistency right now.
Okay, guys, we've almost got it. The perfect slime. Make sure you guys all check out my new intro video. It's a really cool video for my brand new intro that you can probably saw in the beginning of the video. Okay, where did that go?
Check the hair. Where'd the hair go?
Hair?
Yeah, you didn't see the hair?
I didn't see any hair. Oh,
look at this hand. It says perfectly.
Okay, let me see.
Okay. No!
Oh, shoot.
You gotta move it around in your hand. Don't have it sit in your hand because then it's gonna be like, it's gonna sit there. Just move it around, man.
You gotta be like, okay, what do we need more of?
You don't need any more of anything.
It's because it's sticking so much. Just leave it.
No, it's not. Look. What are you doing? No, it's too much.
Look, let me see.
Hold on.
This one. Tap it in and mix it.
Okay. Okay. Oh, it's wet a little bit. Hold on. I'm trying to mix it in so you can play with it. No, stop! That was perfect! You just messed it up, now it's all wet.
What is it? It's okay, right here. Clean right here.
Oh yeah, our hands are getting cleaned by slime. Have you ever heard of that?
Take it here.
Okay.
Clean up, do your stuff.
What?
I don't know, what's that song? It's like, clean up, everybody do their share. Clean up. Whatever.
That was
Right there!
No, it needs a little bit more.
Run it in! Go, stop!
Hey, I don't want to say that was sad, but it was kind of sad. So what was that supposed to be?
The cleanup song.
Clean up. Oh, now it's perfect. Let me see.
No, it's not. It's all
So
wet.
clean up going into
This is good though, because it's the right consistency. Look! It's not sticky anymore. Yeah! This is perfect!
No, it's wet.
Okay, I'm gonna keep mixing it. Here.
Get some of this glue on the side. Get some of this glue on the side. But it was all sticky, and you just turned it right after it wasn't sticky. You're like, oh. But it's still wet.
Yeah, now it's good.
No?
Slime!
Hold
It's
on.
not wet. I'm getting rid of the wetness.
There, get the slime. Get the slime.
Goodbye. Have a great day.